In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this Turbro Finnmark air conditioner and heater for my RV. I'm also going to record how to install it, and if you're interested, a link for that video will be down in the description area below. In the first box, we're going to find the main outdoor unit. You can get it in black or white color. It has 15,000 BTU cooling and 1500 watt heating capacity. The shroud has this nice textured glossy finish. It's got these two handles on the sides built into the shroud, which is definitely going to be helpful with lifting. It is a pretty heavy unit. A lot of holes on the sides and the back of the shroud for heat dissipation. The shroud is held in place by a total of 12 screws, which is great. The more the better. My old unit only had 4. Plastic gets brittle over time and these mounting holes tend to break, and you're going to end up having to buy a brand new shroud, and they're not cheap. Now let's take a look under the hood. We've got the compressor on this side. Looks like this one is rated for 1 horsepower. On the other side, we've got the fan motor. We're going to find the capacitor hiding in this corner. I like how they covered it with a rubber boot to protect it from dust and water. I also like how they insulated these pipes going into the indoor coil box. I don't think my old unit had that. And we've got outdoor coil unit over here. Looks good. Electric diagram for troubleshooting and repairs. On the bottom, we've got this waterproof gasket. It goes around the hole on the roof. Make sure you don't damage it in any way, otherwise it may develop a leak. Next, we've got some power cables with custom connectors. And the cable for the indoor coil freeze sensor. In the second box, we're going to find the indoor ceiling panel, foam gaskets for the cold air duct, installation hardware, remote control with a wall mount, and user's manual. This front plate comes off, and in the back we're going to find the circuit board for the display screen. Right behind it there's an air mesh filter. On the flip side we're going to find the electrical control box with some connectors and wires coming out of it. And there are these LED strip lights around the perimeter of the panel. In the third box we've got the soft starting kit for the AC compressor, user's manual, as well as the installation hardware for it. Alright, that's everything that's included if you buy this HVAC unit. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to install everything. Be sure to check it out. A link will be down in the description area below.